Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. So this is for all the students who have bought the Conceptual Pediatrics app. First of all, thank you so much everyone. The responses are mind-blowing. Thank you so much for showing all the love and support. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about the residency program. A lot of students have messaged me this question that, sir, how should I approach my residency? In first year, in second year and in third year residency, how should I approach my pediatric subject? So most importantly, this is a very important short video for all the students. Starting with the residency program, number one, first year of residency. I just entered my residency. So what should I do? Shall I start reading the books or what should I do? So most importantly, in first year of residency program, guys, you have to choose your thesis topic. You have to choose your thesis topic. So this is a very crucial part of first year pediatric residency where you have to choose the thesis project or thesis topic, because in second year and third year of residency program, you have to study towards your thesis. So first year residency program, make sure you choose a very beautiful thesis project. And most importantly, learning IV cannulation, intubation and basic procedures. First year of residency, it's all about learning the basic procedure, guys. You will put a lot of IV cannulas, you will do a lot of blood transfusions, ECG monitoring, vitals monitoring or ventilatory settings. So all these are done in the first year residency program. Now most importantly, Conceptual Pediatrics is something I want that should be there forever with you in your life. So every day watch the videos of Conceptual Pediatrics, slowly gather this beautiful theoretical and clinical knowledge that is of course important to have a very beautiful bright future. Now coming to the second year residency program. In the second year residency program, make sure your learning objectives are amazing. Make sure whatever you have learned, the cannulation, ECG and ventilation, the theoretical approach of why are you doing it, that's very important, and cover your syllabus, guys. See, a very beautiful quote someone had told me, a book is never read to be from page to page, it is to be read from topic to topic. So make sure your topics are clear. Make sure in this Conceptual Pediatrics we have last 3 year previous year questions, we have the MD DNB solved question papers. So make sure you solve all the question papers and get your clinics correct. And in the last year of residency, very importantly, your thesis is coming to an end, your learning is coming to an end. Make sure you're watching all the videos properly and teach. Most importantly, sir, I'm not able to retain whatever I have read. So whatever you have learned in first and second year of residency, teach to your juniors in third year of residency. So this is a small concept which you should do in your 3 years of residency. So that's it. Thank you so much everyone, and thank you so much for all the love and support. Any doubts, anytime, you can put in the comment section. Please take care. Life is beautiful, and thank you.